My video is about removing the ransomware called Hhuy. Hhuy is the ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just demonstrate to you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover the files, but I'll try to give you some recommendations. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. And so very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data. This Hhuy ransomware encrypts the files and damages them essentially, so it's not possible to use the data anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you will most likely waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus programs such as Cleaner Antivirus. It can be found on the page combocleaner.com, so download the application, install the software, and then once it has been successfully installed, start researching the computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, will be initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated by Combo Cleaner, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Now, pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It helps to remove the ransomware. It helps to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. And you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. As for file recovery, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.